This is Chang. I'm going to walk you through how to say hi and learning some of the useful words in Nuer. First thing is that what is your name? You might have a friend, somebody that you just met, and you want to know his or her name. What is your name? That is English. In Nuer we say it Shal Shodudi. Shal Shodudi. Shal Shodudi. Shal Shodudi. Shal Shodudi. Shal Shodudi. You have to keep repeating it so that you get a good pronunciation. Shal Shodudi. Or you can say Shalidi. Or well, these are options. Shal Short Dudi. Shal Shodudi. Okay, or simple say shall leady. Okay, let me put shall leady. Okay, so you pick one of these. You say shall leady or shall shodudi, or shall leady. They mean the same things. Okay, you can pick one of those. What's your name? Shall shodudi. Well, when you want to reply, my name is Chang. And where we say it, let me say it. Okay, shall should the Chang. Shall should the Chang. Shall should the Chang. Shall should the Chang. Shall lady. Shall should the Chang. What's your name? My name is Chang. Shall shududi. Shall should the Chang. Just like that. I think this word is useful. Food. Kwan, we call it Kwan, right? That is Nuer, we call it Kwan. Okay, Kwan. Let me simply say it, answer. Kwan. Kwan mean food. Kwan. Water, we call it, let me simply put answer. Okay. Pew. Pew. Water mean pew. Okay, food, it is Kwan. Water mean pew. Okay, all right. Come, where, that's how we say it. Where, like telling somebody that sorry, made a mistake. Come mean bear. Okay, bear, answer to this. Bear. Come, bear. Well, go mean where. Go, where. Come, bear. Go, where. Okay, car, we call it surbil. Answer, turbil. Okay, car mean turbil in your language. Car, turbil. Go, where. Okay, shop. Well, this is where it got different type of names. We call it tuk, which is maybe in American. All right, let me simply put answer. Tuk. Shop mean tuk. Okay, so another word you can say it, dukan. Okay, dukan. Shop mean dukan. Suk, the same thing. Shop, tuk, shop, dukan. Well, ours, we say it, dwell, that is house. Dwell. Okay, then lastly, I love you and Makeji. and Nakaji. I loved you and Nakaji. And Nakaji, or you can simply say it Nakaji. Nakaji, right? And then lastly, God bless you. Okay, let me put it like that. God bless you. We say it this way: B code G post. As simple as that. Okay. God bless you. Because G pot. Well, let me do the summary again. Okay. What is your name? Shall show do the. What is your name? Shall show do the, or shall show do the same thing? Shall lead. What's your name? Shall show do the or shall lead is the meanings of it in Nuer. Okay, what's your name? You can say my name is Cheng. The same thing you can say shall show the Cheng. Here when we come to this word food, it means quen, water, pew, come, bear, go, where, car, turbil, then shop, souk, dukan mean the same thing, or shop. Ours mean dual. I loved you. And Nakaji, I stand for N, this I right here. N in your language we say hun, me. And then I loved you and Nakaji, or you can say Nakaji. You can say it to a lady just like that. Okay, God bless you. Bukot Jipot, just like that. Amen. Okay, you have any comment, drop it. You have any suggestion, drop it. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. All are useful for my way forward. And thank you for taking your time, please. Thank you.